What if I told you the ancient Romans treated hiccups with wolf liver ash mixed in honey? In his natural history, Pliny the Elder records that people believed the fierce spirit of the wolf could shock the diaphragm back into place, stopping hiccups on the spot. They'd burn wolf liver to ash, stir it into sweet honey, and force down the strange-tasting concoction in one gulp. No more hic once it hit the stomach. While we now know hiccups often end on their own, this wild remedy shows how creative and a little scary people got before modern medicine. Imagine mixing animal ash into your morning tea today. Would you brave a spoonful of wolf liver ash for instant relief, or do you stick to holding your breath? Share your silliest hiccup cure in the comments.